classic thing to see on your right-hand side, coming over DDay. The three legendary aircraft. Keep your eyes peeled on this magnificent formation. A real first for Airborne in our 30th anniversary year. From the Aircraft Restoration Company, led by John Remain, please welcome Blenheim formation. This show for most of the years that it has been operating over the last 3 decades. The familiar name associated with Spitfire flying in particular, but one of his great achievements was restoring this venerable light bomber back into flying condition. And what a story that is. Flanked by a Mark 9 and a Mark 11 Spitfire in the hands of John Gowdy and Mike Cole. All three pilots absolutely versed in the victory war that it was, and enjoying it. Let us savour it. As a Part 142, first flew in 1935. Really impressed the air ministry enough to turn it into a modified design as a Royal Air Force spot. Delivery of these to the Irish Squadron commenced in March 1937. Initially referenced with the name Bolingbroke, but retrospectively changed by the Air Ministry at the time to Blenheim. Then the Mark 1s and Mark 4s were adapted as fighters traditionally by the addition of a gun pack with 4 rounds of machine guns to the bomber. By the iconic designs in the RJ Medical Supermarine factory design team. Another part or two before we break into individual bearings. The Blenheim became an incredibly multi-purpose aircraft in the early years of the Second World War, used as a long-range fighter, maritime patrol aircraft, and used as a bomber gunnery segment as well.
Do you want me to go get it?
First British aircraft was an all-metal strength construction of a tactical landing gear flap and the power of the gun turret and variable pitch propeller. Amazingly enough, the Mark 1 was faster than most fighters in the late 1930s. very gently and easily to ensure longevity for the maintenance of that aircraft. Making 4,400 Blenheims were made in 11 times, which of course late 30s and early 40s. Start of the war, in fact it's the most popular aircraft that the Royal Air Force had at the time. And there, John calls the break. The Blenheim marvellous spitfires